What's up, YouTube? I figured I'd show y'all another walk around on my Jeep since I did kind of a shitty one last time. It was almost dark too, so I'm just gonna do another one for y'all. I'll show you around. So this bumper I got from a friend. It's not all the way welded on, but the lights do work. They're decent, I guess. And I got a new tire. I used to have a shitty ass street tire on there, but now I got a mud tire. It's got a decent tread on it. Not too bad. Probably about 50%. And still got my other ones. I'm about to get a new set of 31s for it. Oh, and I tinted my taillights on Sunday, and I got another sticker, a Moose Racing sticker, and I took my Mopar one off. I just got bored of it. Figured I'd show y'all. And I painted my disc red, or Chevy orange red, I guess. And I still got my tip, but it's not hooked up to anything. Also to the front diff too. And I'll show you the exhaust in a minute. That looks fucking awesome. I don't know about y'all, but I do. Oh, look. Nice and muddy on the inside because the previous owner, he cracked it somehow. I don't know how. But now, every time I wash it, since I went muddy like once, now I get mud all in the bottom of it. And it just, all the water drips out the bottom and the back. So I figure I'll show y'all my new exhaust. I cut off the nasty ass gay GoPro, and I put on a side turn. I'm going to make it come out the side in front of the rear tire and take off the tailpipe. And I'll show you what that sounds like in just a sec. And I just seafoamed it the other day, but I didn't videotape it because it didn't do shit. So, I'll show you all the exhaust and whatever else I have to show y'all. Really deep. There's a cat still on it. The check engine lights from my transmission, I got a 3/4 shift. Solenoid problem. My switch for my lights. You should see them. Not that dark. Turn the blinkers on for you too. Ain't that bad. My dummy tip. No exhaust. I'll rev it up for y'all. I ain't got anywhere to fucking set the camera since I'm in the fucking parking lot. Sorry. Let's put the phone down more, I guess. That was only about to 2,500. Still got my radio.
So stop in Star Power today, or go to the website star-power.com.
That's my cord phone charger.
Zero Down delivers a brand new Kia Soul in your driveway for only $209 a month.
Show you the light. Not too bad. Pretty good for Walmart, I guess. So I guess I'll post a new video when I get my new BFGs on there, and I'll just take up for a ride on the way home.
Prices are falling throughout the store during autumn savings days at Lowe's. Buy any Stainmaster carpet and pad, and we'll install both for just $249. Includes the services you need the most, like whole house installation, delivery, moving normal furniture, removal and haul away of your old carpet and pads, and installation on up to 15 steps. Hurry into Lowe's to take advantage of autumn savings days throughout the store. Lowe's, never stop improving. Offer valid through 11/5 and requires purchase of Stainmaster carpet and pad from Lowe's. Some additional charges may apply. See store for details.
This is Sound Free, host of New School on 105.3 The Fan, and I have a little proposal. What if I told you that in less than 3 months you have a
a higher salary than what you're getting right now. You can do it through career.com. Your Career offers information technology training programs. Make a career change into the computer industry. Here's an example.
Take a ride down Main Street.
The old way of learning with desktop computers. A student comes into class, does their work, they leave, but the computer stays there. At mycomputercareer.com, each student receives a
Turn the radio off. I'll give it some more gas when I turn on my screen. Ain't too bad, I guess. I like it. I'm probably gonna get a race muffler put on it. And yes, I drive through my yard. You hear my tailpipe banging around back there? Parked in front of my shed and park. Sunglasses. Now I'm up to 236, 716. And I just seafoamed it, so I put it in the gas, the oil. Now I'll change the oil this weekend, I guess. I might, I don't know. I think you're supposed to do it like after like 100 miles or something. I don't know. Ooh. I just drove through town with my lights on. Not supposed to do that. Oh well. Oh, later guys.